Did your brain just explode? Because mine just did. Hey guys, I'm online and I'm on the air for you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe that education should be free. Some places it is, not here in corporate America. In this last section of my doing hair with Blender and Bezier curves, I wanted to, I thought it would be a good idea to like try and map out that material, because I know that material was like pretty complicated. I had a bit of trouble wrapping my brain around it. So, first section of the tutorial, noise texture here generates noise, and the texture coordinates and the mapping coordinates skews the noise into straight lines, right? In the next section, you have the color ramp, which basically controls your hair's base color. You also have like a bump here, which will take the skewed noise and make the texture, turn it into a texture that looks more three-dimensional. You can pump that stuff out through the normals of the principal BSDF shader, and you could also pump it out through the materials displacement. They could sort of reinforce each other. It's not done here, but I did it over here, over here. I did it over here. I did here. I don't know what this is. Okay, whatever. And all these like mix things, they're two different mix nodes. There's a mix RGB node and there's a mix shader node. The mix RGB node mixes like the colors for everything else. The mix shader nodes just mixes different shaders like anisotropic, principal BSDS, DSDSD, transparent shaders, various things like that. Now, this gradient texture node will basically help control the mapping coordinates, the positioning information of whatever things that you're putting into your material, such as your color ramp or your noise texture noise. In here, I am using it. What is this being used for? This is for hair roots, actually. This part of the materials to get the hair roots a different color. I did something a bit different with it over here, however. I thought it looked better with the quadratic spheres, but because I was using the quadratic spheres over here, it was messing up my transparencies over here. So I created a different set of gradient texture, a different gradient texture node in order to control the positioning information of the transparencies. Now down over here, you have your transparencies. This creates like a broader gradient, right? And this creates like not wide, not as broad gradient. One will only keep the end of your hair transparent, and the other one will keep like strands of the end of your hair transparent. And the multiplier also helps with the like, amplifying the transparency, I think. I'm not sure. Now when you pump all that stuff out, so you have your anisotropic, which creates like a nice sheen. It makes your hair look shinier. It makes it look shiny. You combine that with your principled BSDS DSD, which has the colors, the base color, and it also has the color of your hair roots, base color and hair roots. Those two get combined into a mixed shader. They get mixed together. And those shaders get mixed together with a transparent shader, and that finally gets output. And then you get this. I was kind of hoping that this tutorial would have been a bit shorter, but I guess no such luck. Oh yeah, one last thing. I need to give a special shout out to Ethan Snell for showing me how it's done. These notes would not be possible without you. This guy gets like 1,000,000 views on ArtStation and on YouTube. I got like 10. I don't think that making this would have much an impact on the person's publicity or anything. I mean, like, I just didn't think it would be right for me to like produce something like this without like mentioning them. Like, I know I've been told that it's not such a good idea to like direct traffic away from your content to other people's content, but it just doesn't seem right to me to like make something like this and not give credit where credit's due. At any rate, if you are new here to WRNotes, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, and until next time, stay creative, have fun, and good luck out there.